So guys, this is a really nice unit. It's not overly heavy. Nice sleek on the side. Take a look at the back. You have a filter on the back. Really nice. Again, nice and sleek on the sides. It is, so it is touchscreen, which is really nice, and you can set the temp and all that stuff in your settings. You also have Celsius and Fahrenheit. You can turn on the lights that are inside. Really nice drawers, wooden drawers, or shelves I should say. Humidor bottle. You got your manual in the back here. Fan is built in the back, which I like. Some of them have the fan built in the bottom. I don't like that, but this fan is built in the back. We can show you guys here a little closer. Plenty of storage on the inside. You can smell the wood. Yeah, this is a nice unit. I love how sleek everything is. They did a really good job with this, guys. Let's see, you can set... Okay, let's set this here. You can set the temp all the way down to 61. You can set the temp all the way up to 72. You have a timer set